Welcome to the detailed ETH special analysis in the large, mobile-friendly style. We combine the 4-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, and now the monthly chart. Every price level is fully narrated in English, with no music. The paths are conditional scenarios and not trading advice. The reference price is $1,878.77 on Coinbase and $1,878.97 on Bitstamp. The values were checked on 13 August 2026, 13:47 Zurich time. The 4-hour change is minus 0.88%, the 24-hour change is minus 0.05%, and the 7-day change is minus 1.33%. The daily RSI is 44.2. On the 4-hour chart, the first decision area runs from $1,854.00 below to $1,943.00 above. Below $1,854.00, the risk of a test of $1,822.00 increases. On the upside, price needs a confirmed close above $1,943.00, volume and a successful retest. The weekly chart shows the broader structure. On the downside, $1,755.00 is an especially important level. On the upside, $2,465.00 remains a major regime barrier. Only a weekly close above it and a successful retest would materially strengthen the long-term bullish path. The monthly chart is now included. It filters short-term noise and shows whether the larger cycle is actually changing. On the downside, $1,755.00 remains a central monthly support. On the upside, $2,465.00 must be cleared on a monthly closing basis and then confirmed as support. Only then do the more distant levels gain materially more technical weight. The first reaction level below is $1,854.00. Next come $1,822.00, $1,755.00 and $1,713.00. Together they form a possible reaction region. A bottom would still require a clear response, a higher low and reclaimed resistance. If $1,713.00 also fails on a closing basis, the deeper historical reaction levels are $1,672.00, $1,512.00 and $1,385.00. These levels describe risk. They are neither guaranteed targets nor claims of a bottom. On the upside, ETH must first reclaim $1,898.00. Next come $1,925.00, $1,943.00 and $2,000.00. A brief wick is not enough. A confirmed close, spot volume and a successful retest would provide stronger evidence. Above the first resistance group, the next levels are $2,158.00, $2,220.00, $2,386.00 and $2,465.00. Above $2,465, the next levels are $2,624, $2,879, $3,102 to $3,447 and later $3,745 to $4,108. The historical high near $4,957 matters only after several confirmed regime changes. Every step requires its own confirmation. The distant levels are not automatically active now. For filters apply to every level. First, wait for a confirmed closing price. Second, spot volume and momentum must carry the move. Third, the retest must hold or clearly fail. Fourth, a higher low confirms bottoming better than a single fast spike. In summary, the reference price is $1,878.87 US. The first downside ladder is $1,854.00 US, $1,822.00 US, $1,755.00 US and $1,713.00 US. The first confirmation path upward is $1,898.00 US, $1,925.00 US, $1,943.00 US and $2,000.00 US. Closing price, spot volume, the retest and a higher low matter most. This is scenario analysis and not trading advice.